We're getting toasty there, boss. I can tell that you pushed her a little bit more than you probably would have ordinarily.
I'm down. I gave you what it's all for today.
Thank you, thank you.
My name's Stelio, they call me Kranny. I have 12 Crossfire C7 12s on 3 Banda 7Ks, 12 batteries, 2 alternators, like 21,000 watts. It's metered to 61 in the kick. It's not my daily driver, but I beat the out of it. I mean, I played for hours at shows, doors open, no problem. It's a 4th order, I believe it's 2-to-1. Boland actually designed it. It was 1 cubic foot sealed per sub, and the port's tuned to 40 something, but it seems like this port's the right amount for these subs. And it plays everything 25 to 50 hertz, 55 hertz, everything. It's a little bit different than anyone else if you kind of notice that. It's Greek themed, built in a month, but I just pulled the carpet out because we were gonna deaden it. And then we found like a 6-inch crack and it's tripled today.
I'm Jamas Pope. This year's a brand new build. I did 18 VXF 12s from Skar. Right now it's on 2 Crossfire 8Ks at 0.44 an amp. I have a SQ4 running 10 mids, 8 tweeters, Skar 150x4 RP, underground power lithium for the win, 200 amp hours worth. It's still a work in progress. Port has not been tuned yet. These subs have only had probably 3 hours of play until I come today. It's windier than anything I've had so far. I'm extremely happy with it.
myself.
toasty there, boss.
Yeah, that's low.
We're getting
I'm gonna
toasty.
cook it a little.
Thank you so much for that. I can tell that you pushed her a little bit more than you probably would have ordinarily.
I'm down. I gave you what it's all for today.
Thank you, thank you. Oh, hell yeah, another slamming set of bass demos right here on the EXO channels, man. Kranny's system, I don't know what it was, but I just gravitated toward it, I think 2 or 3 times that day. Ended up telling him it was one of my favorites of the entire show. Just something about it, that deep, authoritative sound is what I kind of am drawn to. In the second guy system, really nice sound, and I like the choice of music that he chose. That girl was like dead-eye into the camera. It was pretty hypnotizing seeing all the stuff move around. Pretty much a staple of all things car audio when you see things flying around, but it never gets old for me, especially when you're in the seat kind of experiencing it. But I definitely encourage you guys to try to make it out to a couple shows, because I myself am gonna be pumping up the status of my bass even higher and higher. I know the build has been extremely slow going on my end with the 1018s and the 10 5500 watt amps, a whole brand new mids and highs setup that you guys have not been told yet. I've only released the teaser pictures, or at least the information, on Patreon. So I encourage you to also check that out too if you really enjoy these videos. So thanks for doing your part, clicking the like, subscribing, and that little notification bell. I don't know if it makes a difference if you click the notification bell or not. I know most people say it, but I'm gonna let this video go up for what it is, just a nice twofer, nice bass demos right in your face. So if you watched yesterday's video, or the day before yesterday, I unboxed my Creighton, an 8S remote control car. I can't wait to go have some more fun with that, but the temperatures are plummeting outside. So I don't know how much of the full video I'll be able to edit within the next week. I have a little bit, but I want to edit a full version. Well, until the next video, this is EXO signing out. I can't wait for this season to really ramp up. I've got great plans for the structure of this channel, so stay tuned for the announcement, guys. I will talk to you in the next one. See you then.